So guys, in the last video about MetaMask, I forgot something very important. I forgot to show you guys where you can copy your address from. So there is address, your wallet address, so you can copy it. And you can actually add more wallets if you want. Come to this place, add more wallets, create new accounts or import an account. So you go through the same process as we've done before. So that's that about that. Yeah, that's created new wallet for you. So I'm a new account for you. So let's go back to our previous first account. It's so easy to use again. So if you want to receive, click on receive, you copy or you scan this and you receive. So if you want to send also and you can buy, you can buy with your card and all. And so let's go back to downloading Trust Wallet now. So in this video, what I want to show you is how you can set up your Trust Wallet. If you can remember very well, I spoke about both Trust Wallet and MetaMask. So they both have the same function, but TrustWallet has more coin listed on it than supports more coin than MetaMask. And MetaMask basically supports EVM, that's Ethereum Virtual Machine coins. That's long story about that. So, and this one supports more than that, supports Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, and the likes of it. And it still supports for more coins that are not even EVM chain related. So I'm going to pause the video till it's complete download. So guys, finish installing. Open up Trust Wallet. So just as before, let me tell you one kind of not funny but may sound funny to you, like Trust Wallet now as it is now. You can copy your MetaMask key, the key phrase, and import it to here. It's going to work. If you say I already have a wallet and you click this now, import it, it's going to work. So let me do it. No, I don't want to do that now. Let's just create a new wallet. But if you try it, like you've created a MetaMask and you don't want to create on Trust Wallet, you just want to import it so that you have in two different places instead of you creating it now. But for the purpose of me teaching how you can create on Trust Wallet, I'm going to create instead. So we're going to set a password. Don't steal my coin. If you can access my device and you not get my key phrase, you cannot do anything to my device. So make sure you put a password. Like I told you before, the password is for the device, not for it's for the device wallet. So if you should delete this wallet from this device now and you don't have your key phrase, your 12 key phrase, you are lost to. You don't have access to that particular wallet again. Your coin is gone now, is a goner. So just as we did before, you're going to copy this, and I've copied mine and saved it, and I'm going to continue. Do you hear that? Do you not share your secret phrase? Not even with your husband, not even with your wife. So continue. Now I have to rearrange in the order that I copied. But let me pause and do that. So um, I just got an invalid order, so I have to try again. So I got the order correctly now. And I've saved it. That's why I was able to get it correctly. If I not save, I won't get it. So this is it. If you want to do that, you can do that. So basically, the difference I see between these two wallets is more chain, more coin listed. Like you can see this on Trust Wallet, on MetaMask. So coin, paste address, send, receive. So if you want to receive now, this is your Bitcoin address. Just copy and send it to whoever wants to send you your coin. So another thing, let me not confuse your head, but you have to know this. Each coin has different network that you can send and receive from. But when they are on Trust Wallets and MetaMask, most of the time they are on their default chain. They are mostly on their default chain. Like now, Ethereum uses ERC20. So if you are here now, you copy this address. Now you are copying the default ERC20. So mostly when you're gonna be having issue with, okay, which chain should I send from, which chain should I select, is when you are sending from exchanges. So when you're on an exchange and you want to send BNB to your Trust Wallet, you have to select BEP20 from the exchange. But I'll be explaining that in subsequent videos on transferring from exchange to any other, like sending coin from exchange or your wallet. So I'll be explaining that. Uh, so thank you very much for watching this video. And make sure to not share your key with anybody, your key phrase with anybody. And now we'll be using these applications to do some other stuffs, but just also to set it up first. So in future videos, we'll be explaining what you can use it to do, like swapping, sending, buying coins, and things like that. So thank you very much for seeing the video again. Make sure you subscribe.